Recent floods in Morocco, particularly in the city of Tania, were caused by rare and intense rainfall that hit the region. In just 15 minutes, the streets turned into rivers, flooding several neighborhoods and leaving residents unable to cope with the rapidly rising water. According to BBC News, more than the annual rainfall fell in just 2 days in the southeastern part of Morocco. The Sahara, the world's largest hot desert, experienced a rare flood that transformed the desert landscape. NASA satellite images showed that a lake bed between the cities of Zagora and Tata, which had been dry for 50 years, was filled with water. As a result of the flooding, at least 8 people died in Tata, and 15 others are missing. Local authorities reported that the floods led to the collapse of several houses, road destruction, and disruption of communication lines, which complicated rescue operations. Such extreme weather events like heavy rains and floods in desert regions are becoming more common due to global warming. Scientists predict that such rainfall could occur in the Sahara in the future, which requires a reassessment of water resource management and preparedness for such natural disasters. These events highlight the importance of preparing for extreme weather conditions and the need to adapt infrastructure to climate changes to minimize damage and loss of life.
Thank you all for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. My team and I work hard for you, analyzing all weather-related events so you are always up to date with the latest news.